How to add Google Drive to Slack. So here I have just opened up Slack. We want to scroll down until we see the option for apps, and we have to choose add apps. So from this app section, we will search for Google Drive, and you will be able to see this. So available apps, Google Drive. We want to click on add here. Give it some time to load, and we can add this to Slack. So it will ask us for permissions. We will choose allow here, and it will ask us which account we want to use. So I'm going to do this one for Google Drive. We click on allow, and then it has been authenticated for or with Slack. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. Here's where you can access it, and I'll see you next time.